Babe. 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 Hi. I have a cold. Don't laugh at me. I don't feel good. And work sucked. And I just want to lay here and just be here with you. Nothing else. Just us. Like, you know what? Come here. Closer. Closer. Much better. No, seriously. Like, I knew that you were gonna feel like man flu, but I don't feel good, and I feel sick, and I feel. Did you hear that? And that is the cough of a sick man. A sick man who needs your love and attention right now. And all you can do is sit there and giggle at me. Who do you think you are? I'll tell you what. Can you do me a favor? And just sleep right now with me. Not in that way, no. Why you so dirty-minded? No, I'm sorry. I'll keep my germs to myself. Yeah. Hey, who knows? Maybe if you catch my cold, you get like a deep voice like me. Well, I don't know if I'd use the word cute to describe it, but I mean, I'm sure we could work something out with that. Yeah. Adorable, yeah. Much more fitting word, yeah. But seriously, can we just have an early night and just let me cuddle the absolute life out of you and just be here, just sleeping. The rain doesn't help. Like I'm so sick and I'm like dying, and then it's rain, and then I have this beautiful woman in my bed, and it's just I just need to sleep and just enjoy. Oh, it's my ideal day. Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't change a thing, I promise. Except maybe these sheets. These feel kind of gross. I thought you were gonna like wash them for me. I'm allowed to be demanding. I'm sick. No, come on. Don't be mad. You have to be nice to me. I'm sick. And you will be too if you keep giving me kisses. So you say it's worth it now. But in like 3 days, we'll see if you still think it's worth it. Stop. You can't make me laugh. Make me cough. It makes me cough. It makes me spread germs. And if it makes me spread germs, it makes you get sick. Maybe you get sick, then I get... Well, I don't really get sick, but... and I guess I just look after you. We like switch roles for a bit. Excuse you. I play a fantastic concerned boyfriend. Okay. I can probably Google how to make soup, if that's something you Americans do. I know you guys do that in movies and stuff. I don't know if anyone actually does that in real life. We kind of just, I don't know, it's usually hot. So we just usually don't have soup. And we just get better. Because we're made tough. See that? Can you see it? You see the bicep? Okay, well, there's no need to be mean. I'm sick. It's supposed to make me feel better. Compliment my bicep. Pretend it's for like today. Okay. I've been trying hard. Yeah, I suppose I could probably try a little bit harder. I'm still awake. So, you didn't answer me. Can we turn these lights off and snuggle and sleep? See, I like where your mind's at, but unfortunately, I do mean sleep. Just listen to the rain. I mean, yeah. Oh no, you are 100% Little Spoon. Just because I'm sick doesn't mean you get to be Big Spoon. That's not how that works. I'm not that sick. Maybe next time. If you're lucky. Or if you're sick, I guess. Chances are there's a pretty good chance you're gonna get sick at this point. Let's be real. Alright, I'm gonna turn my light off. You smell so freaking good. Is this because I'm sick and I can smell like really well, or do you just smell like extra delicious today? I legitimately feel better just smelling you. Is it the hair? It's your hair. It's your hair. You know how I know it's your hair? It's because every single time I snuggle you, my entire face is just like just enveloped in your hair. In my mouth, my teeth, my nose, my eyes, my hair. Do you know how hard it is to explain that to my other girlfriends? I'm joking. I'm sorry. Gosh. Just because I'm sick doesn't mean I'm any less hilarious, okay? How could I ever possibly even think about other girls when I have, like, living embodiment of perfection right here? I know. I'm smooth. But seriously, thank you so much. I've been waiting for this all day. I really need it. I really need to just rest. You like a lot. sorry, I'm sick. I promise. I had other stuff planned for tonight, but I got sick, and this cold makes it really hard for me to record. So it just makes life a little bit harder. I'm sorry. Hopefully, this would be good enough until I get less sick. Every breath I take, I can smell your shampoo. Don't apologize. It smells so good. I'd say your hair is delicious, but I can literally taste it on my tongue. Can you feel it? Can you feel how like wet it is coming off my tongue? Ugh. It smells delicious. Doesn't quite taste it, you know. I'm trying to go to sleep, so stop distracting me. It's rain. There's rain.